Ka District Health Society West Jaintia Hills Lengba ka National Tuberculosis Elimination Program kala Rakhe World Tuberculosis Day halor kapang yes we can end TB ni hoot nila ban pendu ya ka jingpang TB. Ya kajing yalang lapelong ha kemusnyang indoor sport hall Jowai ha kajing donlang kakongsan kakong HML Kinta MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills District ki khana school bat kinong hikai na ki school bapher ka district ha kajing yalang kabala penyai da upin kre susngi DPC NTER menta kasngi. Ka Dr. I. Kairim Senior Medical and Health Officer DTC Jowai habakran halor kapang kalaong ka jingpang TB kadai ka jingpang kabatip kum ka silent killer bat kadai ka way na ki jingpang kabama lada ki pajba kim sumar bat pikir ha kapor kababyang bat kalaru banlam sya ka jingya.
TB is a silent killer and TB remains one of the worst deadliest infectious killers. Each day, close to 4,400 people lost their lives with TB, and close to 30,000 people fall ill with TB around the world. That is, they fall ill from this preventable and curable disease. And the global efforts to fight TB has saved an estimated 74 million lives since the year 2000. The theme for this year, World TB Day, is Yes, we can end TB. Yes, we can end TB. This theme, it brings attention to TB and that it is in our collective efforts and power to end TB by 2023, 2030 and therefore reach the sustainable development goals. However, India under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, he has made declaring calls to eliminate TB from India by the year 2025, that is 5 years ahead of the global target. So if we see, we have just nearly 2 years left and there's so much that needs to be done if we want to achieve this target to end TB.
Ka Dr. EBV Lalu District Tuberculosis Officer Jaintia Hills Kalaong kani ka jingpang kade kabaladon bunsnem Henry na kalyang katenat ka kwat kakya bat ka kanhun ki doktor hadu kine kisngi kidang ya khon persya ya kani ka jingpang ban pendu jai yakang ka doktor lalu ka airu ka khobor ka basai ba ka jingpang TB kadai ka jingpang kabala ban penkot bat kala ban juru ya kito kibayo ya ka jingpang bantista ya ka jingdi ya kidawai kumba laptha da ki doktor knang banla bante lakam ya ka jingpriang jongka shu ka doktor lalu kala penslur ya ki khanna school bat ya ki nong hikai bakin penshai syaki bahayeng hasem bat syaka imlang ka salang khnang bakin dub yo jingtep kumno ban yada yalade na ka jingpang TB.
The most highest factor is HIV. I think you have heard about HIV. So people who are living with HIV, they are born with TB. And why? Because the immune system is low. And also in diabetic patients, the immune system also is low. So they are born together. So these talking, by sneezing, and by coughing. So all of us should know the cough etiquette. As students, I think we are taught how to cough also, because when we cough, sometimes we just open the mouth and we do not close our mouth. It affects the lung. Okay? So we breathe in and out the air. So in this we take out the air that has the bacilli. This bacilli will go to the lungs, and then slowly and slowly they will multiply and develop into a disease. So what is the difference between infection and disease? When we say infection, that means we only have a bacilli. So you should know whether an infection can cause a disease or not. Infection does not cause a disease. Why? Because if your immune system is strong, you can fight against the bacilli. But then if your immune system is not good or not strong, that means you are able to get the disease. Okay? So there's a difference between infection and disease. I think if we have to do the test, all of us must have had the bacilli inside us, but then we do not have the disease. Because why? We have immune system that is strong, so we can fight against it, so we do not develop the disease. Then what are the tests that we have to do for TB? So in our district, we have the microscopic EMC, that is the designated microscopic center, where we can do the test through a microscope. And then we have to collect the sputum with the two containers, the morning sample and the spot sample. So this
kong HML kenta ha ka jingkren kala banjur ya ka jing don kam ban ya trei lang khnang ba ka jing thmu ban rat ding khong ya ka jing pang TV na po ka jella Meghalaya bat ha ka ri house name Arhajar Arpusan kan long ka bajo ha ka ne kasngi la yo ru ya ka jingkren na ki armut ki balakoit na ka jing pang TV ha ka ba ki la ya thu ya ka e ka ba ki la ya kendu harangkat ka jing kentu kan pham ya ki bayo ya ka ne ka jing pang ban ko angu ya ka jing tha ki doktor khnang bakin yo ya ka jing koi na ka ne ka jing pang ha ka ne kasngi la sam khos nam ru sha ki khanna school ki balaya shim banta ha ki jing ya kop tho plakat drawing sport bala shim banta da ki khanna school bat kum ka jing ai min sim la sam khos nam ru sha ki nong trei ka asha bat nong trei ka kuna ka koit ka khia ki ba la trei shi tom ban ya khun ya ka jing pang tibi Hashwa kani kaladon kajingyai rally ki khana school namadan daimasi that labo hadu indoor sport hall kemusnyang